I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at spot cleaning a really worked in old spot on a rug using the Bissell Little Green. So this is a stain on my white carpet here that's really worked in. It's kind of gross. It's been there for a long time, and I'm going to see how the Bissell Little Green does at removing it. So first, let me just mark it with something so that I can show you exactly where I'm working. I'm just going to put this little marker right above that, so we're sure we're looking at the same area, because I'm hoping it's going to be totally clean afterwards. And then this is the Bissell Little Green. I filled the side on here with a cleaning solution and water, and I've got my nozzle here. It's going to spray solution out when I press the button, and then I'm going to work it into the carpet, and it's going to suck it back up and into the dirty tank here. So let's go ahead and get started. Coming over to my spot, pressing this button there. Gonna get a lot in there, just give it a second to work in, because it is a pretty bad stain. And then I'm gonna start getting in. Looks like we're gonna move that little piece and change that. Okay, just move that a little higher. Let's get into that stain now. You can see it's getting into it and sucking up the dirty solution. I can spray a little more in there. Really wanna work into it with the brushes on there. And that spot is totally gone. There's really almost nothing left. I can get the areas around it too. But you can see it has basically totally eliminated that gross little stain underneath here. So it's right around this area here, and that's gone. So pretty impressive. Really great performance from the Bissell Little Green on those little spot cleaning types of jobs, even on a stain that's probably been there for months and gotten really worked into the carpet. So very happy with that and the performance here from the Bissell Little Green on those tough spot cleaning tasks.